Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I am tell you about that 12 ways to earn $100 every day online. It's time to dig into some of the ways you can start earning passive and active income with the internet. If you are interested in earning money online and in your spare time, check out these 12 ways you can earn money. So आप बहुत ही आसान तरीके से अर्न मनी कमा सकते हैं, लेकिन आपको कुछ टाइम देना पड़ेगा, जिसकी वजह से आप पूरे $100 डेली के कमा सकते हैं. So in this way you can see first way and top of list. This is Google AdSense. When I started my blog, I faced a lot restrictions as financial advisor. जब इंसान कोई भी बिजनेस शुरू करते हैं तो उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा फाइनेंशियल एडवाइज़र उसकी प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं. एज अ रिजल्ट वन ऑफ दी ओनली वेज आई कुड मोनेटाइज एट द टाइम, क्योंकि आफ्टर जब वेबसाइट बनाते हैं तो उसके लिए हमें गूगल एडसेंस की ज़रूरत पड़ती है. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मोनेटाइज एट द टाइम वाज बाय यूजिंग गूगल एडसेंस. गूगल एडसेंस आपको ऐड प्रोवाइड करते हैं जिसकी वजह से आपको इनकम हासिल होती है. वो एड जो हैं वो आप अपनी वेबसाइट के ऊपर लगाते हैं, देन उस एडवर्टाइजमेंट से जो पैसा मिलता है वो आपको मिलता है. विद दिस इनकम अर्निंग स्ट्रेटजी यू सिंपली साइन अप. गूगल गिव्स यू ए कोड टू कॉपी एंड पेस्ट onto your website. From there Google does the rest and you get paid anytime. Sometimes clicks on your ads and makes purchase. तो परचेजिंग और जो क्लिकिंग है इसकी वजह से आपको जो पैसा मिलता है वो गूगल एड्स की वजह से मिलता है. तो इसके अलावा जो मेन है, when I finally added Google AdSense to my website, I was able to earn my first 100 payout within around 3 months. 3 months के अंदर आपको $100 मिल जाता है, आप पे आउट करवा सकते हैं. This is pretty cool, but a lot of people have asked me how I earned so much with AdSense at first. So you have kept in mind that most of ads on website are for financial product that pay out rather well. If your blog is in a different niche like food and fashion, it may make you longer for your ads or pay with first 100 check. तो फूड जो फैशन की वेबसाइट है उसके ऊपर आपको $100 मिल सकते हैं. ये एक वेबसाइट के ऊपर आप जो कमाई करते हैं, अर्निंग करते हैं, उसका ये मेथड है. सेकेंडली टेक्स्ट लिंक्स. जो टेक्स्ट लिंक्स होती हैं, द सेकेंड वे आई मेड $100 एट फर्स्ट वाज वाया टेक्स्ट लिंक्स. If you wondering that text links, or check out any article on the web and you will see highlight word you can click out to take you to another web page. जब भी आप किसी भी आर्टिकल के अंदर एक लिंक दिए हुए होते हैं जिस पे आप क्लिक करते हैं और उसके बाद आपको $100 मिल जाते हैं. while realized it for quite a while. There are a ton of companies who are willing to pay 100, 200 and even 1000 or more for your to link from your website to their. अगर आप उनके लिंक वेबसाइट के साथ लिंक करवाते हैं तो आपको $100 भी प्रोवाइड करते हैं, 200 भी करते हैं और 1000 तक करते हैं. But I was pretty shocked when a few companies would pay 100 or more just for interesting a link into on my blog post के अंदर भी आप ये कर सकते हैं सारा कुछ. Unfortunately, eventually learned selling text link Google terms and condition. If you are doing this on consistent, your website is going to rank over the long term. गूगल की पॉलिसी के मुताबिक ही आपको ये सारा कुछ करना होता है. तो उसके बाद जो है, for that reason selling text links is not a good long term monetizing strategy. You can do it every once in a while without any negative impact, but you will live to regret if you get greedy and overdo. जब आप लालची बन जाएंगे तो फिर आपको कुछ नहीं मिलेगा. One of the third earning way, that is sponsored post होती हैं, उससे आप इजीली कमा सकते हैं. With a sponsored post, a company pays you to talk about their product or service on their website. वो आपको प्रोडक्ट देती है या फिर कोई भी सर्विस देती है जो कि आपने अपनी वेबसाइट के ऊपर उसको लगाना होता है. While initially made 100 to 200 each sponsored post, I did on good financial sense, kept checking up my rates over time. This is very good method to get money. How much can you earn? Blogger जो है वो एक पर मंथ स्पॉन्सर पोस्ट से कमा सकते हैं. However, some blogs or more traffic can easily $2,000 per sponsored post or more. उसके बाद if you plan to do sponsored posts, I definitely recommend it. Only work with companies you believe in and feel good promoting. If you promote anything and everything without making sure it aligns with your values, you probably won't gain a lot of trust from your readers. Over time, this could hurt your effort to grow your website more than the income from sponsored post. तो स्पॉन्सर पोस्ट की मदद से भी आप बहुत ज़्यादा कमा सकते हैं. It is very good ways. The main and fourth way, that is affiliate marketing. Nowadays, this is very common sources of income. Affiliate marketing is one of the most ways to make money online. When I was able to add affiliate links to my website, I watched my income surge in a big ways in a matter of weeks. In financial planning niches, affiliate including companies like online broker pages, online banks, financial tools. This kind of companies pays very good money if you are willing to promote them. अगर आप उनकी कंपनीज को प्रमोट करने में अच्छा वक्त सर्व करते हैं तो वो आपको एक अच्छी इनकम देती है. और उसके बाद जो है type of very different type of affiliate you work with, very depending on you are kept in mind that some companies will pay you to 100 per conversion. It's not too hard to start earning really money. After that, you can see, no, you do not believe me, check out Making Sense of Cents. Another 1,000 per month, 10,000 per month. But after that, the fifth way, that is also common source and display ads, are very similar to Google AdSense, except that reader does not have to click on the ad for you make money. Think display ads in billboards that are on your website instead of side of highway. With display, you get based on the number of times your ads viewed, no matter what for the reason. These ads will work better your traffic on your वेबसाइट के ऊपर जब गूगल एड्स को डिस्प्ले करवाया जाता है किसी भी को, तो उससे जो आपको इनकम मिलती है वो इसके ज़मरे में आती है. सो दैट्स freelancing writer content is one of the most common sources. Freelancing writer is another ways to earn online income if you don't mind earning some of your money with active work. Another benefit of freelancer writing is that you can gain exposure by writing of large website. आप तो बहुत ज़्यादा वेबसाइट को बना भी सकते हैं इस राइटिंग कंटेंट की वजह से. तो उसके अलावा जो है, one of the first website I wrote for paid $150 per article. This was not a lot of money, but I used the opportunity to improve my writing skill, get my name out there. पहले अपॉर्चुनिटी हासिल करते हैं, उसको इम्प्रूविंग करने के बाद जब आप राइटिंग स्किल हासिल करते हैं, I don't write as much for other people anymore, but I don't know plenty of freelancer writer who are earning $250 to $550 and even $1,000 or per more article. So this is the main some freelancer writer I know even earning 6-figure or more writing from home each year. This include blogger Holly Johnson, who earned over $22 lakh per year writing article for other website. Johnson also offers a course you can check out if you want to become a freelancer writer but need some help getting. So this is the first part. Second part I will send later. So thanks for watching this video.